I will show you how you can make a Wi-Fi pineapple with an evil portal feature that will capture user inputs. You should follow along my GitHub project in the description, as this video is just for reference. This project is an improvement, but the basic attack works. I will use a TP-Link AC600 for the evil portal, and use a Raspberry Pi 02W for monitoring and capturing data. Install the drivers for the TP-Link as I have done. Reboot the system. First configure Thony as I have done, and write the following code. We will make the Pico board as an access point, and assign it a static IP address. The code is available on my GitHub. Connect WLAN 1 to the Pico's access point. Now assign an IP address, gateway and DNS to the WLAN 1 for the evil portal feature. Make the connection persistent by the following command. You can verify the connection by using the following command. Now enable the Apache 2 server and create a new directory for the portal. Copy the files from my GitHub repository into the portal folder in the following directory. Now I will edit the dnsmasq configuration file. Type the following at the end of the file to set WLAN1 for redirecting the victims. Now restart the dnsmasq. And change the user permissions. Now we will configure IP tables and make it persistent. Save the configuration and make it persistent by using the following command. You can verify by typing this. I have done these additional changes for some troubleshooting. Sorry for that. Now use any device to test the project. Note: this project is in continuous improvement, so some functions may not work properly, but the basic attack does work. Set the IP address to manual and set the IP, gateway and DNS to the following for testing it. It should now redirect all HTTP and HTTPS traffic to your Raspberry Pi Zero's WLAN1. For some reason, it is not redirecting the user. But if you access the static IP of the WLAN1, which is the TP-Link adapter, and press on the portal, it works and sends the user input to the zero. You can now see the entered user input is saved to the credentials text file.